Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. What I want to talk about today is anodes on our Bravo 3 Outdrive. So I put these anodes on the start of our season for 2024. They were on the boat and in the water for roughly 3.5 months. As you can see, they're up underneath there. And on the front, still look brand new, and they shouldn't. Our water is kind of a brackish water, a little bit of salt in it, and these should have had some corrosion, and they literally look brand new, like the day that I put them on there, and that's not a good thing. So these were purchased on Amazon, and I wanted to try another type of brand. These were only under $59 plus tax, compared to the expensive brand Quicksilver anode kit, and these were about 150 plus tax on Amazon. So you're literally almost going 3 times the price from those ones and the cheaper anodes. So I'm going to be taking off all these ones. They're going right in the garbage, and we're going to be putting on the Quicksilver anode kit. And at the end of the season, we'll take a look at these, and these will have corrosion on them. And what you want is, these are sacrificial anodes that actually start corroding and save your outdrive and any metal parts that are under the water on your boat. So what I'm trying to get at, the moral of the story is, don't cheap out and put cheap anodes on an expensive outdrive. Spend the money, even though it's 3 times the price, and get a quality anode kit. Again, I've heard horror stories where people have put these after the fact of me buying these and putting these on, that they're getting a lot of corrosion on their outdrive, which is the last thing you want. They're very expensive. So again, these ones will be going in the garbage, and we'll be putting on the Quicksilver anode kit. And there's the part numbers. So again, this is a Bravo 3. This would be a 2013 model. So again, spend the money, buy a quality anode kit, and don't get the cheap kit expecting it to do the same thing. Anyways, just a little tip for anybody out there. Like always, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. Thanks for watching.